I'm Aishwarya, the President of Young Indian Communicators Forum, Vibrance Initiative. This is an organization for all vibrant communicators and communication aspirants. We believe in learn, share and practice. So we're trying to bring together as many communication students, working professionals and industry experts from across the nation as possible and impart knowledge and learn basics of the profession and excel together. We're in terms of organizing this whole industry, we're trying our best to make this more available and accessible. We're here to launch our online magazine called Why Imagine, Get It Here. This magazine will be distributed to different professionals from the industry and to bureaucrats and other government organizations. This will not only entertain articles and contributions from students, but also from our folks from the industry as well. There's also across the table inputs coming from the industry experts. So I think this is something that any mass communication student should look forward to. I think mass communication is the best that must have happened so far with the country, especially because there are varied opportunities that are there. Just as Uma Sudhir ma'am mentioned, when print was there and then when radio came, people thought print will die out. When television came, they thought radio will die out. Nothing really happened. In fact, internet is here. The digital medium is actually integrating all forms of mass communication together and giving you the wholesome experience. I think that's how we also connect to the online magazine. This online magazine will not only guide them as to in terms of their career opportunities within the profession, but will also update them on upcoming technologies and other current affairs and a fellow students' take on whatever is happening in this world. I think this is something that all mass communication students should rather read, and so will their faculties, because they want to know what the student fraternity have got to say, and the industry experts of course enjoy delivering their own lectures. I think this is time that people make a choice that is a little unconventional. Mass communication is the profession to be if you think you have a vibrant personality and you need to flaunt it.